To unlock the full potential of Sony A6400 camera, you need the right lens. Whether you're a vlogger, a portrait photographer, or an enthusiast looking for versatility, there's a top 5 best lenses that can take your shooting experience to the next level. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Tamron 70-180mm. The Tamron 70-180mm lens is an excellent choice due to its superb combination of performance, portability, and value. Offering a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range, it provides excellent low-light capabilities and beautiful background blur. This lens is lightweight and compact for a telephoto zoom. Its fast and accurate VXD autofocus system ensures quick subject tracking, making it ideal for both photography and video, whether you're capturing action shots, wildlife, or portraits. With a 70-180mm focal length range, you get a versatile zoom that covers everything from short telephoto to medium telephoto, allowing for a wide variety of creative compositions. Overall, the Tamron 70-180mm strikes a balance between size, performance, and cost, making it one of the best telephoto zoom lenses for Sony's APS-C mirrorless cameras. Top reason to buy: Tamron 70-180mm fast aperture, ideal for low light performance and beautiful background blur. Fast autofocus and more portable than similar lenses, making it perfect for travel. Affordable price offers, high performance at a lower price compared to competitors. Number 4. Sigma 56mm. The Sigma 56mm is one of the best lenses, especially for users seeking high-quality portraits, low-light performance, and sharp image detail. Its wide f1.4 aperture allows for exceptional subject isolation, creating beautiful bokeh and producing sharp, creamy backgrounds that make portraits stand out. The lens is lightweight and compact, with a focal length equivalent to 84mm. On an APS-C sensor, it provides the perfect perspective for portraiture, delivering natural proportions and flattering compression. The autofocus is fast, smooth, and nearly silent, which is crucial for both stills and video work. Additionally, the Sigma 56mm offers a great balance of performance and affordability, making it a standout choice for those who want high-end image quality without breaking the bank. Whether you're capturing portraits, events, or shooting in low-light environments, this lens enhances the capabilities while maintaining a compact, user-friendly form factor. Top reason to buy: Sigma 56mm. Wide aperture, ideal for low-light shooting and achieving creamy bokeh. Exceptional sharpness, produces crisp, high-quality images with great detail. Compact and lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for everyday use or travel. Number 3. Tamron 20mm. The Tamron 20mm is an excellent lens, especially for those seeking an ultra-wide angle with superb image quality in a compact and lightweight design. With its 20mm focal length, it provides an ideal perspective for landscape, architecture, and vlogging, offering expansive views without distortion. The fast f2.8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance while creating beautiful subject isolation and soft bokeh. Additionally, the lens supports a close minimum focusing distance, enabling macro-style shots and added creative flexibility. With high-quality optics, it delivers sharp images and minimal distortion across the frame. Given its affordability, compactness, and outstanding performance, the Tamron 20mm is one of the best wide-angle lenses, making it a versatile and practical choice for content creators, travelers, and enthusiasts. Top reason to buy: Tamron 20mm. Bright aperture, good for low-light performance and shallow depth of field. Close focusing allows creative close-up shots with excellent detail. Compact and lightweight, easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. Number 2. Sony PZ10-20mm. The Sony PZ10-20mm is a fantastic lens offering an ultra-wide zoom range with exceptional image quality and versatility. Its constant f4 aperture ensures consistent performance across the zoom range, allowing for sharp, well-exposed images even in low-light conditions. The lens power zoom functionality provides smooth, silent zooming, making it perfect for video work, especially for vlogging or dynamic shots. At 10 to 20 millimeters, the lens delivers an ultra-wide field of view, ideal for landscapes, architecture, or creative wide-angle shots. The advanced optical design ensures sharpness across the frame, with minimal distortion or chromatic aberration, even at the widest focal lengths. Additionally, the lens features fast, accurate autofocus, which is ideal for both stills and video. Overall, the Sony PZ 10 to 20 mm is a versatile and high-performing lens that complements the perfectly, providing wide-angle versatility in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. Top reason to buy: Sony PZ 10 to 20 mm, ultra-wide focal length, great for landscapes, architecture, and vlogging. Power zoom, feature for smooth and precise zooming, ideal for video. Constant aperture, maintains exposure consistency across the zoom range. Number 1. Sony 16 to 55 mm. The Sony 16 to 55 mm lens is an overall best choice, offering a versatile focal range and exceptional image quality, making it perfect for a wide range of photography styles. With a constant f2.8 aperture, this lens excels in low-light conditions and provides beautiful subject isolation with its shallow depth of field. The 16-55 mm range covers wide angle to standard zoom, making it ideal for everything from landscapes and street photography to portraits and everyday snapshots. Its robust construction and high-quality optics ensure sharpness and clarity across the frame, with minimal distortion or chromatic aberration. The fast and reliable autofocus system is perfect for both stills and video, ensuring quick, accurate subject tracking. The lens is compact yet professional grade, whether you're a content creator, travel photographer, or enthusiast. The Sony 16 to 55 mm f2.8G offers the flexibility, build quality, and image performance to take full advantage of the A6400's advanced features. It's a premium standard zoom lens that delivers consistent results across a variety of shooting scenarios. Top reason to buy Sony: 16 to 55 mm, fast aperture, great for low-light shooting, and beautiful background blur. Versatile focal range, ideal for landscapes, portraits, and everyday photography. Professional build quality, durable, weather-sealed design for outdoor shooting. Also, if you're looking best lenses for your camera, check out these videos.